To customize lock screen on Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to select wallpapers and style. Then click right here, and after that you'll be able to customize your lock screen. Then just choose a specific clock on the top. This will allow you to change and customize it with different options. So you can add additional info widget on the top. You can change your clock style between different options. You can change the font to whichever one you like, and some of them will offer you the option to change the size for the font as well. And finally, last thing is that you can customize the colors for your clock, and then finally apply it. Then we have the option for the wallpaper. You can change wallpaper for your lock screen, and that is all of the options when it comes to the lock screen customization. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.